Dirt killer. Let's kill some dirt.
What's up, guys? This is Old Man Wags here with Big Green Bruce, or as I like to call him, Little Brucey. What we're going to do is show you how to clean and sanitize these trash cans. We're going to explain why that's important while they're getting some dwell time. But before we begin, go ahead and check these out because they are not going to look the same when we're done. So basically we're going to use one of our favorite pump-up sprayers. This one's made by Solo Industries. It's a solid pump-up spray. It's commercial grade, fully rebuildable. That's why we do like to carry them. What we're spraying on here is a concentrated mixture of Big Green Bruce. And essentially what we're hoping to happen is this is going to work everything loose that's on the surface. Hopefully give us that nice deep clean, after which we're going to sanitize. So even just beginning, you can see a lot of the stuff that's really coming off of this trash can because this one's filthy. I believe this is the one that's over by Mike. And I mean, really, it's just trash because it's a trash can. Alright, so like you guys have seen in some of our other videos, the key to letting this soap work is really just dwell time. It's all about how long you get it sit on the surface. How effective it is really depends on what you actually want to get out of it. If you really want to get these cans going all the way, you can sit there, you can scrub them all day, or you can go with a little bit more concentrate, give it the proper dwell time, and just see what happens. Right now we got one trash can that's used to basically just throw a lot of debris in. It's not that bad. The other one, on the other hand, gets a lot of service parts in it. It's got a lot of oil, got a lot of grime in it, and hopefully between the two of these, we'll see some pretty good results. One of the key things about this product and the reason that we like it is because it's eco-friendly. It's a very solid degreaser, but most importantly, I can ship it anywhere in the US. All you gotta do is ask. Alright guys, so the next step that we're going to do after we've let this dwell is we're going to use our Kranzle spray guard as well as our legendary Dirt Killer nozzle. We're going to go ahead and clean this. You can go ahead and zoom in on the pattern. That rotating nozzle is going to take everything that's in this trash can and make it clean again. So let's see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, we laid some sanitizer in these buckets. We're going to let that dwell for maybe 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and give this one final rinse to just kind of neutralize everything, get some of the final gunk out, and then these things will be completely ready for, well, more trash. I wouldn't call them sexy, but these trash cans are as sanitized and as clean as they can get. We have one of these that was absolutely trash beyond redemption. It cleaned up really, really nicely though. I'm very happy with that. We had another one that's just used for regular stuff, and that one actually came out pretty clean. I wouldn't eat off of it, but it came out as clean as it can get, and as, most importantly, as disinfected as you can get. So if you want to order some Big Green Bruce, feel free to click on the link below. Visit dirtkiller.com. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt killer. Let's kill some dirt.